Guys, I finally discovered how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android, so let's begin the tutorial. I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see this actually works, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, guys, we got the fully working Delta Executor. So this is super cool, no jailbreak, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got all the settings here, so this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we have all the options. This is super crazy, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Yeah, this is super fun. So I don't really like to make videos about stuff, but this actually works, so I knew I had to share it with the crew. So let's get into the tutorial. So if you want to download this, all you have to do is go to this website. So it's called blocksnova.net. So once you're on the site, guys, just find it. So it's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So let me just go ahead and press that. You can see this has 2.4 million downloads and stuff like that. So it's a very well-known place. So I'm going to press the button that says Get Delta. And it's going to download it. So before this downloads, it's going to ask me for my username. So make sure you guys just type your username. So then just go ahead and press continue. And it's just going to make sure you're a real player and everything like that. So just press yes. And then it's just going to say what script do you want to import. You don't have to do one if you don't want to, but that's how to get the Delta Executor. So press continue and it's just going to load. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long. So it's just loading up right here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load. Okay, so once it's done, it might say I'm not a robot or something, so just go ahead and press that, and then it should verify you. So let's see if it goes through. And yep, verified. Says I already have it installed. So yeah, be sure to try it out. This is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but that's how to get it for your device. So you get all the settings, you get the joystick, you get the bar. So be sure to try it out, guys. This is super cool. So that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. All the settings are here. So this is super awesome. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So that's crazy, guys. So look at that. All the options are here. So yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, I mean, if this video works for you, definitely tell your friends about it, because I'd like to encourage the community to come together and stuff. So this is super cool. So yeah, have fun and peace out, guys. This is super cool. There's no jailbreak needed or anything like that, so you guys should be good to go. So hopefully this video works for you. And yeah, peace out, guys. This is super fun.